My name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be showing you an affordable Valentine's Day look that I would say is more fun than the traditional like romantic kind of look. It's going to be kind of similar to the New Year's look that I did. I'm just trying to play around with some new methods. I'm going to start with my dollar store brush and the Morphe 35V palette, the Stunning Vibes palette, and I'm going to take Go Nude to set my eyeshadow primer from crease to brow bone. So if you have a different skin tone than I do, pick a setting shade that works for you. And of course, if you don't have these products or you want to substitute something, go right ahead. Next, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it and go into Heartbreaker, which is like a mauve beige. Something that's basically a good transition shade for me that is still cool toned and a little bit pink. Again, if you have a darker skin tone, choose something that fits that description, but that also fits your skin tone. And I'm just cleaning off my brush, making sure this is blended out. But of course, as usual, the blending is better in person than in the camera. So you could leave it like this, or you could go a little bit bolder, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush with a 6 on it, and I'm going to take Tryst, and I'm going to start putting that deeper into the crease and in the first half of the crease. And then I'm going to take Bad Boy and put that same spot just on the outer half of the crease. So we have like a berry and a plum. And just blend them together. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of, oh I lied, that color was called Risque from before. And I'm just going to use that to blend this out a little more. And of course, if you don't have hooded eyes like I do, then you will see that more. Next, I'm going in with my dollar store brush into that setting shade again, just to make sure the lid is blank. If you like doing cut creases, now is the time to do that. But I'm just doing this. Then I'm going to take my Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in Piggy Bank, which is a reddish purple, and I'm going to make a little wing. And bring it out halfway in. Well, that wasn't what I expected. Then I'm going in with the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner again, but this one is in Good Reef. It's a peachy pink. And I'm going to put that on the inner portion and blend the two together and hope that I don't break this one. And just in case anyone is feeling a little discouraged as they watch this and wondering how I'm getting these lines so thin, this never happens. This is a fluke, this is luck. my lines are usually not this thin, even though I want them to be this thin all the time. Then I'm going to basically mimic what I did, but in the waterline. So the purple about a third to half of the way in. And the peachy pink in the rest. Then I'm taking my Beige Cosmetics brush with a 5 on it, and I'm going back into Risque, and I'm going to run that under the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take my smaller version of that brush from Wish and go into Tryst and Bad Boy. And same kind of deal. I'm going to put Tryst in the front, even tighter to the lower lash line. And Bad Boy toward the back, or whatever you want to call this side and this side. And again, if you want something not quite as bold, you could definitely just use the Risque shade. Ignore as my eye turns red because I got a hair in it. Then I'm taking my Beige Cosmetics brush with a 6 on it again, and I'm going into Three Little Words, which is this light shimmery pink, and that's going to be the inner corner highlight. I feel like this part would look super great on deeper skin. And if you want to make it a little more intense, just use your finger. As usual, I'm going to curl my lashes, and because I want to keep it more affordable, I'm going to go with my Kiko Green Me Mascara for a wispier look. Before you do this step, I also feel like putting a glitter liner, maybe either over the pink and purple or above it, would also make a nice look. But today I'm going for something a little different. I'm going to try and keep it a little more matte, because you know I'll just put glitter everywhere. As usual, I'm going to put on a second coat. And of course, you can use any mascara you want to, really. Then for the bottom lashes, I'm going to use the Avon Love It First Lash Velvet Mulberry Mascara. I think it's in collaboration with FMG, or maybe that's just like a sub-brand. I don't know. But it adds more color to the look. We need more color. And for this, I'm only going to put one coat because I just like my top lashes to stand out more than my bottom. I already have most of my face makeup on, so I'll tell you what I used. I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Water Drop Primer in Rose, followed by Maybelline Dream Urban Cover e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in Fair Rose, Maybelline Fit Me Powder Matte and Poreless in 110 Porcelain, and the e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Blush and Bronzer in Bronze Pink Beige. So I used the cream bronzer and the cream blush. Again, trying to keep it affordable and a little more matte. For highlighter, I'm actually going to use the Morphe palette. I'm going to use this Moda contour brush, and I'm going to use Three Little Words and Knockout. So the shimmery pink and the shimmery like pearl. Now, of course, I want to put like a bright pink lip gloss with this, or maybe a bright purple, but I'm going to use the Revlon ColorStay Satin Ink Liquid Lipstick in Your Majesty 010. And I can't help myself. I'm going to add a little heart over here. I think I'm going to use the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in Joyride. It's like a burgundy. Doesn't really want to draw over my powder, and I also don't want to break it. So that's enough for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I certainly had a good time creating it. Let me know if you try it out. I'd love to see pictures. You can tag me on Instagram. My handle is Jessica4695. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye! See you next time, and happy Valentine's Day!